webinar session. And
Mm-hmm.
so we would like to welcome all of the, we can say, the candidates who have really enrolled themselves in our today's webinar session in
Mm-hmm.
Agripath Global. Agripath Global is the world's first allied consultancy company, and it's specially established for the agricultural domain students, the students who really want to study their, we can say, who really want to study their abroad studies in the agricultural domains. So we would like to welcome our today's speaker, Rishikesh Dambade sir, who are pursuing their MSc International Horticultural Science from Wageningen University and research by having Erasmus Scholarship Program in MSc Plant Sciences. So firstly, sir, I would like to congratulate you, sir, because you are pursuing your master's program with the Erasmus Scholarship Program, which is, sir, which is a dream scholarship program which everyone want to enroll themselves. So, sir, we would like to want to ask some of you can say some questions from you, sir. That's how was the journey of yours that when you switch yourself from your Indian country to Italy, sir? How was the experience of yours? And what are the different things which you have experienced, sir? And how have you got this Erasmus scholarship program? So, Rishikesh, sir, please.
Yeah. So yeah, it's really a great opportunity to be honest. Yeah, I did my bachelor's in India from Pune, and then I was like searching for like opportunities. I also tried to write this CAT examination, as you know, for the MBA. But seeing the rate of interest of doing MBA and putting so much money in India and then getting not that much expected results, like looking at my other fellow friends, so I decided to go abroad. And regarding the Erasmus questions you asked, like how do you get this scholarship and the process, for example, first, like you have to there are like two types of Erasmus scholarships. So one is like Erasmus Mundus and one is Erasmus Plus. So Erasmus Mundus program, it if you want to apply for that scholarship, you need to find like the different programs which are currently running under this Erasmus Mundus, the scholarship. For example, you can apply for different types of programs. You have to go and check the Erasmus Mundus website or the university's website regarding to your course, so you can get the information regarding that. And then but for getting the Erasmus Mundus, you have to apply from India itself. And then when you apply and you get selected, you have to go through the interview process, and for that the competition is pretty high. It's pretty tough to get into Erasmus Mundus scholarship, because the scholarship provides you 1,400 euros per month for your stay and for everything. And also, if like Erasmus Mundus is like more, you have to complete your master's degree in 2 or 3 universities combined, so you will get degree certificates from 2 to 3 universities, or even though sometimes it can be also 4 universities, because you have to complete one semester in one university, then second in another, third in another, fourth in another. So for this program, it's quite competitive. But the scholarship there's also another Erasmus Plus, as I mentioned. So this one involves like the one exchange year between your degree program. For example, I study in University of Bologna, and I did my Erasmus in Wageningen University in Netherlands. So for that, it's you get less amount of money, but still it's like same as like Erasmus. For your mobility, that means you have to travel from your home country to the Netherlands. For that also you get some money, and for that also it's like a lump sum amount of 700 euros you will be receiving from your host university and the government, European Union. So yeah, for Erasmus Plus, you have to be enrolled in any European master's degree. For example, you can be also enrolled in Lithuania, also in Italy, also in Germany, anywhere. So this you have to be enrolled in one of those degree programs, then you have to apply through the university. But here the thing is like, here ranking matters. For example, my University of Bologna in Italy, it's like one of the really, like, it's best university for agriculture in Italy. So we have a lot of collaboration. That was the reason why I was able to go to Wageningen as a Erasmus student. If, for example, if you are from Padua, like University of Padua, it's another university in north of Italy, near the Venice. So that university doesn't have collaboration with maybe Wageningen, so, or any other universities. So you need to be you have to check with the universities. So higher ranked universities have probably most like number of collaborations with other universities for Erasmus. So yeah, is there another question? Like, yeah, we are getting another. Wait, let me read the. Is there exam? Is there any exam for my MSc Horticulture? How can I do University of Bologna? Like for this, you need to apply on the University of Bologna website. If you want, I can also put the website link. Then you fill the form, admission form, and you wait for the interview call. When they send you interview link, you have to go through the interview process, and then they will update you in, sometimes in 1 week or 10 days, maximum 15 days, depends on how many students apply, and the how is the administration working, at what pace they are working. So sometimes you get really offer letters quickly, sometimes you need, like, you have to wait for a long time. So it depends.
So my question is like, what career opportunities do we see emerging in this field, like in this field after graduation, sir?
For example, there are a lot of opportunities ranging from research to job, or it for example, you need to define like what you want to do first. Like, you want to work in a private company or public sector, or you want to do PhD, or you want to go back to India. So according to that aim, there are a lot of different opportunities. So but yeah, there's also some language barriers, especially in Europe, because when you come to Europe, every country has their own language. So yeah, they do speak English, but not that to up to that extent in order to get jobs. But yeah, there are some exceptions. For example, Netherlands, and also if you go to Nordic countries, in, like, for example, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, the people there, they are really good at English. So there are many opportunities there also. For
Sir, like,
opportunities, whole Europe is open for you if you come to any of the European countries.
okay, okay, sir, got it. Thank you, sir. So, like, how does your program, like, how does your
My,
program? Yeah, yeah.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry, sir, if I'll be stepping up my boundaries, sir, because the thing is that we'll be having a specific time for the Q&A session, sir, right?
Ah, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
at this Right, sir. So I'm so sorry for the interruption, sir. But sir, actually, now I would like to ask one question from you, sir. That we would like to know about that. How was the journey of yours, sir, of the Italy, sir? Once when you switch yourself from Indian country, right? Because a lot of people really have this kind of these thoughts that once when we'll be switching ourselves to the abroad countries, then how will be the experience of ours, sir? So, sir, firstly, we really want to know that how was the journey of yours, and sir, then we'll be asking the questions from you, sir.
Okay, from journey from the scratch. Okay, like
Yeah.
initially, like it was really like the experience. Like, you don't know anyone in Italy. Like, I didn't know anyone, just few of them, but they were not even much, in contact with them. So the journey, it started from YouTube videos. I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, and then I used to like search for a lot of information, and then I started applying for different programs, and then I tried to search different courses which aligns with my bachelor's degree. And the experience was, first time, it was really like it was tiring, I can say. and also it was complex, pretty complex, because I was not able to, like, there was no one helping me out here. So it was pretty tough in initially, but apparently when I got familiar with the process, and I reached to many people personally, I contacted many people, and tried to get more and more information, and slowly it was then getting easy for me. I hope I answered your
Okay, sir.
question. If you have like
Yeah,
a
sir.
specific
Please.
question regarding the journey, for example, the journey is quite long. It's totally a big journey, because you come from like we have to switch ourselves from like India to Europe, and there are in Italy also you have like first of all FOMO, and like this, it's totally different experience. You have no one on your side, you are totally alone, you have to do all your things by yourself. And there is no like a person in university that you can go to him and ask like what to do this, what should I do next. There is no person. Then you can't even ask to professors like if you have any problem, because their job is to teach you the courses, not to guide you in the admission process. So but there are some like some sessions where you can mail them and book some sessions online video. So they used to solve some problems. Hello, Shreyash.
Hello, hello, how are you?
Yeah, everything is good.
Just living next street.
Yeah.
I think he was asking Rizikis, what are the most promising career opportunity in Italy?
The most promising career opportunities in Italy, you can choose like a research path. Like, of course, you are coming here for masters, so many students are interested to even pursue their PhDs in Italy. So I can say that's one of the really most possible thing, which you don't need to learn any language, and with English you are ready to start your PhD also. But yeah, you need to have good grades, and you need to have good connection, good network with the professor. So PhD is one of the option, and another one is applying for the jobs. So there are many agriculture jobs in Italy, right from working in some research centers to working in private companies. There are a lot of opportunities, but for that you need to have at least basic to moderate knowledge of Italian language. Like for that, because you do your masters, 2 year masters here, so at least they expect you to speak some Italian. In these 2 years you have to learn some Italian along with completing your degree program with good marks or with good knowledge. So yeah, there are like private jobs, PhDs, research fellowships, and then also you can switch to other countries. That's also another option.
So, am I audible,
Okay.
sir?
Yeah, now you're audible. Yeah.
I'm really
So I
so
think
sorry, sir, because maybe I was having some connectivity issues, sir.
No,
So,
it's totally fine. It's totally fine.
yes. So, may I continue?
Yeah,
I
go
already
ahead.
Okay. Thank you so much, Saurav. And good evening, Shreya sir, Rishikesh sir, and Kashish ma'am. And a huge thank you to our incredible speakers, Shreya sir and Rishikesh sir, for sharing their inspiring journey with us. Okay, now we have that time in our hands. So let's start question and answer sessions. So I request all the participants to drop the questions in the chat box, and kindly ensure to mute your mic for avoid such disturbance. So let's begin with it. So my
Hmm.
question is like from both of you, like sir, like how does is it one question is sir, while pursuing masters in abroad, and for pursuing masters in abroad and do job in India, is that okay for that, sir? That is the question that
Yeah, Rishikesh, I would like to answer this question. Yeah, that is also fine, because after all, if your plan is to have an education here, get the knowledge, and the advanced education here, yeah, you can pursue your masters or bachelors or any kind of education here, and go back to India. But I would suggest to have a experience here at least a couple of years, so that you would know the actual work and actual application what you have learned. Because as same as in India, the degrees are quite different, and experiential knowledge is quite more different, like it's way beyond everything. So I would suggest to have a couple of years here and then go back to India, so that the person who is going back, they will have an idea what kind of work they are going to do. Because in education there is a vast knowledge, and in job we have to focus on one thing. So what is that one thing, you have to identify by working here. And from going back to India from here, it would be a great thing, I think so. Because advanced technologies and other stuff, so yeah, it will be really helpful for them. Again, you have to find a employer like that. That is another challenge. Rather, I would say, mm, you have to go dig on up. You have to find the employer that values you. You don't have to go back to the normal company for ordinary position. You have to know your value, and then only you should go back. But